I want you to get to know me as a person and what I stand for and what I want to do in America. I'm not afraid to say no, and I'm not afraid to say yes. I'm a conservative. I vetoed over $8 billion in spending. When I was governor, I vetoed over $6 billion in taxes, and I'm the only candidate that comes to you with ideas. No, I would not. I would not now. Not with Iran, North Korea, and so many other countries getting into nuclear weapons. The worst thing in the world would be for America is to unilaterally disarm right now with all these terrorists in the world. I do, however, agree that we have an opportunity to redeploy some money and some weapons that are obsolete, that we're spending money just because people in Congress think it's good for themselves. I really want to see some deployment, but I would not, at this time, unilaterally disarm. I would be very opposed to that.